Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set weight and dimensions for WooCommerce product. Let's get started. So I have in here this particular product. You can see in here descriptions and the likes as well. So I want to actually edit the weight and dimensions for this. In order to make this possible, you need to head over to your WooCommerce or WordPress dashboard and click on the products right here. You should be able to look in here for the products that you're looking for. My product is the navy blue cotton t-shirt, and here it is. So what we can do is we can click on this edit option right here that you can see, and then this will load the product editor of WordPress itself. So what we can do is we can scroll down right here. You can see in here the capacity and all of those things as well. Lot of things in here, and you can see in here the shipping. So in here on the shipping, you can set the weight. So for example, for this, let's set it at around 0.5. It's on the kilograms, and you can put in here the dimensions as well. So for example, let's put in here this specific dimension. And then you can put in here shipping class as well if you want. Now, once you have done that, scroll down or just scroll up until you can see this option for update. This is under the publish mode. Click on this update right here. And then once you have done that, this will update this specific product, and you can just do so on the products that you want to edit out as well. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.